Alexa, play music.
Okay, here's Spotify.
Damn, you're loud as fuck. All right. I'm a little bit late. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit late. But that's because I came back from the gym. And yeah, I need to start to get back on that grind for the gym. I've been slacking a lot, so ever since I went on leave to go see my family, I kind of just like stopped working out overall. But that's not because I didn't want to work out, just that I have other shit going on too. And, and I can't always just be um, working out or doing other shit that I want to do because of my job. So, anyways, that's enough complaining today. Bias for today, we're bearish. Immediately bearish because, yeah, we're just coming back down to this 4 hour fair value gap. Yesterday we were bullish for the day. However, for this day, I think that this liquidity is just, I'm sorry, I think this liquidity is just easier to go catch than this one up here. So yeah, that's kind of the reason why I'm bullish. I mean, I'm bearish, and you can kind of see it. Yeah. Oh wait, where are my 30 minutes? You can kind of see it coming into market opens, like, because I have so much experience now, and it's like we have this high up here, we have London high, this one. Yeah, all these highs. London low was just taken on the 15 minute. So yeah, London low was just taken. So I might, let's see here. We also have this liquidity down here. Asia highs up here. And then we have more liquidity here. Oh, this is liquidity. Yeah, I'm just bearish overall. I am bearish. I'm guessing we are gonna get a pull back. If we come up here and take out this liquidity, I will look for a short. So yeah, so that's our bias for today. All right, I'm gonna kind of do the same thing with yes, 4 hour. Let me see if there's no SMTs in here. Hold on one second. Oh, we do have an SMT here. He has not take this London lows. London highs. We have more liquidity. All right, yeah. So we have this SMT right here, between Nasdaq and ES. You can see here that Nasdaq did take that London low, and ES has not taken it yet. It looks like it will take it, so we might be looking for a move higher if we get that move. But just know that I am bearish for the day, so I'm gonna get some creatine. So I used to take vitamins. These, I don't know if you guys have taken them. They're pretty good. It's mostly for like people who exercise a lot, and I did see them help a lot. But I just haven't taken them in a while because I haven't been to the gym. But look at this. These are huge. They are fucking huge. I'm kind of running out, but I gotta take. I think it was 3 a day. Yeah, 3 of these a day. Like it's actually insane. And then we got our creatine, monohydrate creatine. If you guys do take creatine, this is the best one to take. To be honest, I'm not really a gym rat, but I like taking care of myself. So my scoop is gone. Fuck, hold up. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go find my scoop. I found it. Also, I don't know where my other thing is at. I had like a little thing where you would take your meds, but I don't know where it went. Hold up. Yo, what y'all know about Kill Tech? What y'all know about Kill Tech? This is nice. I would hang this up, but I use this a lot. Yeah, I don't know where that shit is. But, yeah, I'm not really taking any, vitamins anymore. I used to. Like I'm saying, I used to. Not anymore. We're gonna do this real quick. Here, I'm gonna put the camera down a little bit. So you only have to. Oh shit! You only have to take a certain amount of milligrams. I should just do 1 scoop. That should be good enough. Ooh, look at market. Yeah, I'm gonna long that shit. Fuck. Also, I don't think we have any news today. Don't believe so, cause I checked yesterday. Yeah, you're only supposed to take one of these little scoops a day. Yeah, made in Italy. They make those in here. Yeah, I guess you can kind of see them. It's because here in Italy, I have Amazon Italy, which is really convenient because if you buy the Prime, it's like the Prime back in the States. Yeah, usually here for the base members, we would have to wait at least for like 2 weeks to be fucking to be able to get a package. 2 whole weeks to be able to get one package. And that's with Prime. So Amazon Italy Prime. It's really helpful. But obviously it's not gonna have the same products as it would have in the US. But it's still good. So so we don't have that SMT anymore. So you can just get rid of that. It is looking like we want to continue higher with this market open. We're gonna open up Forex Factory. Yeah, there's no news. There's no news, so that's good. Ooh, that's a big move up. Holy shit. We come even all the way up here, it'll be great too. Alright, so as long as we inverse this for rally gap, I'm good. So after this 5-minute candle close, I will be looking for longs. If we get a reversal, because first of all, we have this breaker structure here. Right here if it closes, and then also we're going to be in this 5-minute for rally gap if it doesn't. If it inverses this 5-minute for rally gap, I'm going to be more than happy to long. Which it looks like we are going to do it on both ES and NASDAQ. So, alright, I like this. We also got a 5-minute chain instead of delivery, so that's also good. Now I'm going to wait for the next candle to close, this candle close, and then after that I'm going to be looking for longs. So we have this 5-minute inverse. Right there. Do you know the way I do what I do? We are going to be very patient today. We have to be patient. Yo, what's wrong about these glasses though? Emporio Armani. They're nice. Also, I just put up a bunch of shirts around my wall. I have a lot. I need more hangers and more little things to put up my wall because I ran out of them since I have so many. But it's fun. It's fun to be obsessed with soccer. I will be going to the Clásico, so if you guys are big football fans, soccer fans, you guys know I got used to calling it football now that I'm here in Europe, but back in the States I used to always call it soccer because it is soccer, right? But yeah, so we just took out this liquidity over here, up here, right here, same thing. I see TJR taking a lot of setups with the S&P. For some reason, I really don't like the S&P, if I'm gonna be honest with you guys. I really don't like it for some reason. I would just much rather trade NQ than actual yes. Alright, so 5-minute candle closed. I don't want it to go without me, but I'm still gonna be patient. Since I wanted to actually work towards my setup. So we're gonna wait for it to tap back into this 5 minute for rally up here, and then from there we're gonna be looking for longs off of that, because if we do want to get somewhere with trading, we can't be, I don't know how I had it, but I think it was more towards the middle. I don't remember how I had this shit. Oh, it's because I just moved the monitor. I'm an idiot. There you go. This part looks kind of weird. Oh, I like this retrace. But it's not retracing how I wanted it to retrace. I want it to come all the way down here. Down here. To this part, to then continue higher. Yo, GTA 6 though. Hey, what y'all know about GTA 6? Man, that's just gonna be nice. So we got this 5 minute retrace already that we were looking for. However, this shit's looking hella big. I don't know what happened. I think I missed it. Must have been like something. I don't know. 40-point candle. It's not that bad. I'm gonna wait for this candle to close. If it respects the 5 minute for rally gap, I'm gonna long. If it doesn't, then whoop. We're gonna try to find another entry, I guess. We'll see. We'll see what it is. Oh, excuse me. Honestly, we might be looking for shorts. I'm not gonna lie. Let's see. Macro's about to open, so we'll see. I like how it's respecting this 5 minute for rally gap, so I'm longing this. Oh, not buy. Woo! Kind of a mistake, I'm not gonna lie. Might get stopped out. Really close to getting stopped out. I might get stopped out for it, yeah. Ah, damn. Fuck. I knew I should have waited. That trade was trash. I'm not gonna lie. Actually, it wasn't trash. I liked it. But we're done with that trade. So we're gonna move on now to the next one. That was only a small loss, so I'm okay with that. I think it was only like $100 loss. Yeah, $100. Okay, that's all right. We're gonna be looking for shorts now because it didn't inverse that gap. I knew I should have waited for that. Damn, I even told myself I was gonna fucking wait, but that's all right. That's all right. You guys just saw that. I'm on the group chat right now. I'm telling my guys that I was gonna wait for the 5 minute candle to close. This one, the one that I got into, I told him I'm gonna wait for it to close. At it, oh my god, 1 minute before, I was like, oh shit, I might just get in now. What the fuck am I doing, bro? This is what happens when you don't listen to yourself. Always believe in yourself. This is a prime example. I lost $100 in 2 seconds because I didn't listen to myself. I literally told myself, bro, fuck. That's all right though. Now we know for next time not to do that shit. I might not even trade, bro. What the fuck is this? My friend in the group chat, he shorted this. How the fuck did he short that? Alright, so all the levels swept already. All the key levels that I wanted to be swept. Honestly, I might not even trade again. This might just be the L for the day, losing $100. Because what the fuck is market doing? It's just, honestly, I don't know if it'll move higher, to be honest. I don't see it moving higher. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I think I'm might be done for trading. I don't know. This doesn't look very bullish anymore. This looks bearish, but honestly, price action is pretty bad. There's no other liquidity that we can actually take for this, so I don't really see an I don't really see a move to short this, but some people are saying that we're gonna short. All right, we're in for a long. We have bullish SMT. 1 minute bullish SMT. Yeah, we took out the lows. 5 minute is looking really, really bullish. Well, the 1 minute is looking very bullish. We're gonna start taking these type of trades now. Since actually, we'll just move it here. We're gonna be taking more aggressive trades now. Since my current strategy is just kind of waiting and waiting and waiting and waiting. But if we're waiting for that long, you know, I don't see it being very profitable. If we lose, we lose. You know, it is what it is. We win, we win. So we'll just kind of wait. So yeah, I've been wanting to take more aggressive trades recently. Since I kind of know how market works now. We are in because of this 1 minute SMT right here. 1 minute SMT here, bullish SMT, and then also we took out these lows. So after taking out these lows, I don't see any other plays where it would take out the lows unless it comes back down here and takes out this. But yeah, I'm gonna long this. I wouldn't even hold until up here. I would just go here and then take profit here if it does go to that level, and if it doesn't, then oh well. Yeah, we inversed all of these gaps, so I'm looking pretty confident on this trade. And if we lose this trade, we lose the trade. It is what it is. If we win, we win. So yeah, I am gonna go get some strawberries because I need some fruit. So you guys watch this shit, and I'll be back. All right, I'm gonna move my stop loss to break even now. Honestly, I think price could retrace into this 1 minute fair value gap. Fuck. I don't want to leave it at break even because the market's being crazy volatile right now. So if this shit inverses now and it stops me at break even, then it wasn't meant to be long. Damn, bro. Hey, hopefully this shit don't don't fucking fall down on me. Fuck. All right, so it was right for me to take this long position, essentially because there's nowhere else for it to short to. Um, Also, we have that 1 minute SMT, and we inverse the gap, and we got to change the state of delivery. So that should have given us enough confirmation to the long for aggressive trades, which I did take that trade. Now we're a break even, and now I'm just gonna hold. I'm just gonna hold until either we win or lose. Honestly, I kind of want to hold on until these highs up here. Until these highs up here, but that's gonna be a long way. 3.87. It is gonna be a long way. I am in break even though. I am a break even, so if it does go up there, I don't really have to worry about anything because break even. I might just take one contract here. All right, so just hit take profit 1 right here with this big ass candle. Take profit 1. We're gonna trail our stop loss down here to these lows. Just in case it does decide to reverse, I will be able to take advantage of that and get the money. And then go out. This is a risk-free trade now. We'll just be waiting for it to hit these highs up here, and then from there, that's it. Let me see how much. Okay, so I just took out my losses, which means, yeah. So I haven't lost them today since I took that take profit. So profits are profits. We're gonna keep those, and now we're just gonna scale up all the way over here. So it's gonna be what it is. It's gonna be what it is. Fuck, I don't know. I don't like what I'm seeing. I don't know what to do here. I might just hold, to be honest. Might just hold this. Trail it even closer. We're really close to that target, but I might just take another partial. All right, took another partial. Yep, took another partial. Now we're just gonna wait for it to hit this target. If it does, if it doesn't, might just bail out early. We do have very aggressive moves, which I do like that. I do like those aggressive moves. Just a little bit more before we go higher. Close to it. All right, I'm out. I am out. This is a very, 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 very clean trade. 3.87 risk to reward ratio. That's crazy. Good job, though. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. Good job. All right. I'm done with trading now. I'm done for the day. I'm gonna go do all my other stuff. I need to clean the dishes. I need to go do all this shit. However, yeah, good entry. Reason why I went in, it was kind of weird today though. Reason I went in was because we came down to these London lows, tapped into them. I could have, honestly, if I was more aggressive on this one as well, could have entered a long right here and then put my stops here. Targeted either these highs or these highs up here, which I could have done that right there, but would have given us a bad risk to reward. Yeah, so I went in around here when we came back to this 5-minute fair value gap, even though it ran straight through it, I should have waited. I should have known that. However, we came down here, swept out the previous day, what is this? Yeah, Friday's lows. So those are the only ones lows that will probably are gonna get taken on both sides, on NQ and on ES. And then on the 1 minute, we have this 1 minute SMT right here. As you can see, NQ took these lows and ES didn't. So that gave me a bullish confirmation on NASDAQ to continue to continue higher. We then got a chain instead of delivery here. Went in, my stops around down here, and then from there, trade just dripped. This is the type of trades that you should be I should be taking. You can see no risk or no drawdown while in the trade. However, these are the type of trades that I should be looking at now that I know the market. I've been looking at the market for so long. I know when to take the trade. All I need to do now is, now that I'm learning from these people, is actually take those trades on my own. And yeah. Anyways, that's the GG's today. I'm gonna edit this video real quick, and then from there I'm just gonna go do all my other stuff and then come back. So I'll see you guys tomorrow.